In this video today, I show how to replace this builder light with a newer modern light. So looking at this modern light, on the back we have this silver plate which is mounted in with 4 screws. So we're starting by removing those 4 screws to free up that back plate. After which we want to see how it's connected. As you can see the ground, the white and black wires all back here, and then the metal plate here. So we're able to tuck the wires straight behind here, and there's plenty of space for that. This is how it's going to look on the wall. So now we're going to look at this light. First, of course, we want to turn off the switch and turn off the appropriate breaker to avoid electrocution. Behind the old fixture, we can see the wires mounted up. You can see the white here, black, and ground wires. So now I'm positioning this plate and looking for where the screws would go. So I've aligned the top screw hole, the bottom screw hole, and then there's one over here. Although it's nice to install a couple more and then just check the level. Screws are in place. I just pretty much used what the builder used. Kind of weird that they chose this combination, but upon shaking it, it's not going anywhere. Here's the wires mounted on the new light. Just white, black, and the copper goes straight like that. Now we can line up all these holes and then screw. When you put everything back, take note of the box position. So the box is over here. So when it pushes in, I want to make sure the wires are out of the way. Here's what the light looks like after completion. So now, with this modern, we can change out this mirror here. And with all the screws tightened up on this, it's all ready to go. That's pretty much it. It looks nice, elegant, and modern. Thank you very much for watching.